Slime, I really like slime. It's really easy to make, so I make it all the time. Hello, my name's Sholah and welcome back to another video. So as you can tell, I'm so happy because my slime kits have finally arrived. So today I'm going to be showing you my Sholah's Fluffy Slime Kit. So on the back, as you can see, I've got my unicorn, fluffy and magnetic. So they're all three are my slime kits and I'm so excited. Let's get started. So first, because hopefully all of you guys that watch me will order this. It's just available on eBay. So you just open it and here I have my slime kits. So I'm so happy. Oh, and here are the foamies. So you know the little, you can buy that cloud dough stuff. Cloud dough. And you see it has clouds in it because it's like cloud dough stuff. And you put the foam beads in it. So I've already made some and it turns out so good. I've made some fluffy slime. So first you have your borax slime mix activator. Then you have washable school glue and they all have Sholahs on top. It's so cool. Then it comes with glitter because you know it makes it so pretty. And then it comes with them foam beads to make it fluffy cloud slime. And then it comes with 2 containers, which I think is so good. And then the pink paint. Okay. Then it comes with the 2 mixing tools. So let's get started on making it. So the instructions are actually on a tip if you need your slime to. Okay, and then the ingredients are on the side, but because I know obviously how to make slime perfectly, you can just watch this video while you have your slime kit and just watch me making it. So first, of course, you add your glue. So if you want to make 2 batches, just add because it comes with 2 containers, half of it. But I'm gonna add all of it, but you really don't need to do that if you don't want to. So I'm going to speed this up. Okay, well, actually all the glue did not fit in there. I think that's enough glue for enough slime. And I've got quite a lot more left in there, so I'll just keep that to the side. Then I'm going to add some pink paint. Oh god, it's kind of watery, it's a bit like food colouring. So I'm going to dip my mixing tool, my popsicle lollipop thing, in and just mix it, and I'll speed this up because I might have a perfect colour. I'm going to get a perfect colour, and then after that I'm going to add the glitter. Okay, so I added all the glitter and look at that perfect colour, guys. It's gone a bit purple, but it's stunning. It looks really purple on the camera, but it isn't that purple actually. But that's so pretty. And I'm just going to keep on mixing this. Yeah. So then I'm going to add these at the end. I'm probably maybe going to add half of the bag or all of it. If you don't want it to be extremely cloud dough stuff, then just add a little bit to make it, I guess, crunchy. Because it's up to you. But if you want, just copy me and yeah. You'll see how good the slime ends up. So then, and it also comes with measuring cups. So this is a bit easier to use than measuring cups. So you're gonna you see the 5 on there. It's not gonna show in the camera, but you fill the borax up to that 5. It's like 5 grams, I think. But you might need to use more of this if it's a bit too sticky. So I'll just leave it to the side with the lid kind of off. So I'm going to speed this up until it's getting the right texture until I can kind of pick it up. So yeah. And just one quick thing, add a little tiny bit at a time. Okay, so guys, it's nearly slime. Look, you can tell that's nearly slime. It's like really thickening. So I have a little bit more borax left, so I might as well add all of that. Oh my god. Okay, so as you can see, all the slime is clumping up onto that spoon and like stick. It's not exactly a spoon, is it? Okay. Just keep on mixing it. Keep on mixing. Might as well add all of that borax that's left. And you also want it to be a bit sticky so all the foam beads stay in, like cloud day. So it's basically slime now, but it's a bit sticky still, so I might just maybe add a bit more borax. But it's really, actually really good slime. Just a bit sticky, as you can tell. As I keep on saying, it needs to be to add the foam beads. So I'm adding the foam beads now. I'm adding the whole bag. But just as I said, you really don't need to if you don't want it to be the slime that this turns out to. If you want to quickly rewind it and then rewind it back to what point I am at right now, so you can see what the slime turns out like. Okay. Okay guys, the slime that I made like last night is exactly like this. So here it is. I'm gonna quickly pick it all up. I just tidied this desk up so I don't want it to get too messy. Look at that. I'm going to quickly come closer to the camera so you can see it properly. Oh my god. As you can see, it's like really sticky. Well, not really, but it's quite sticky. Okay, well the slime turned out perfectly well. If you think it's still a bit too sticky for you, you can always still add more borax. But as my mum does, she puts it in the cup, then gets her fingers in there, then just puts it over it, and then it goes in. It's really good, and it's so easy to make. It's DIY. Do it yourself. So, and the good thing I think about it is it has really good containers to put it in. They're airtight. They never dry up in it. And I also myself might actually add more borax. Okay. So there is my finished piece of slime, and that was the fluffy slime. So I'm also going to be posting my magnetic and unicorn slime, so please go check them out, and please like, subscribe and comment down below, and bye.